Hey, Unites, welcome back to another math lesson. I hope you had a good weekend. And today we're going to take a look at exercise 2B again and how to add and subtract algebraic terms. Remember on Friday we talked about multiplying and dividing algebraic terms. Those two rules can't be confused with adding and subtracting. They're like three completely separate things, okay? Whenever we add and subtract algebraic terms, we need to make sure we know what a like term is. Let me just start inking. All right. So no, this isn't going great, is it? What? Why doesn't it? Here we go. So the key thing to know is what are like terms. Like terms are any term, so it could be a number, it could be a number and letter together. Basically, for two terms to be alike, they need to have the same. They need to have the same pronumerals and the pronumeral power. So 6a and negative a, those two are like terms. So notice how the a is to the power of 1 in both of these terms. That's why they're like terms. So to simplify this, what we do is we collect the likes term together. So we have 6a negative a, which is a 1a here. So imagine there's an imaginary 1 there, plus 2. So we've just rearranged everything. And then we figure out, well, this part, this turns into 6a take away a, which gets us 5a. Because 6 take away 1 is 5, and then we leave the plus 2. And that is our answer. Please do not keep going because 5a and positive 2, they are not like terms, so we cannot simplify this any further. Alrighty, let's take a look at example B. We've got 4m and positive 2m. These two are like terms. So let's rearrange this. So we've got 4m plus 2m. Let's switch out to a different color. Then we have positive n and positive 6n. These two are like terms. Okay, so we've grouped our like terms together, and what we do is we add the numbers together now. So these two get added together. We have 4 plus 2 gets us 6m. Notice how the m doesn't turn into m squared because it's not multiplying. Please, please, please don't change the power whenever you're adding and subtracting algebraic terms. And then we deal with the like terms with n's. So positive 1n plus 6n. That will get us a positive 7n. Remember, positives plus, they mean the same. And then this is it. Please, 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 do not keep going. That's a finale. Like m and n, you can't do much about those. They're not like terms. And that would be your answer. Alrighty, let's take a look at the last example. So we've got 7a squared b plus ab plus, take away 4a squared b, take away 3ba. What's really important here is you being able to identify the like terms. So have a pause of this video, see if you can underline the correct like terms, and then justify why. Great, if you answered 7a squared b is a like term with negative 4a squared b, you are correct because the pronumeral combinations are identical. You've got an a squared, and a b to the power of 1 and a b to the power of 1. So what we can do straight away there is we can group them together. So we've got 7a squared b negative 4a squared b. The next part is, well, is positive 1AB or AB the same as negative 3BA? The answer is yes. Just because the A and B are in different order, that doesn't matter. As long as the powers are identical, then it's all good. Why? Let's just ignore this -3 for now. If it was 6 times 5, that's the same as 5 times 6. So whenever we're looking at two pronumerals next to each other, it implies it's times. And if they've got the same identical powers and the letters are in different order, that's okay. They're still like terms. So here we've got positive AB and negative 3BA. Again, I'm not writing the steps because it's too hard with this touchpad. Please just rewind the video if you need the steps all over again, because I am trying to say the steps out loud. All right, so the next step in this working would be to simplify the black and blue. So here we've got the black pairing. 7 take away 4, that gets us 3, and do not change the A and B powers. So they just stay the same. Over here on the right, we've got the blue pairing. Positive AB. Oh, that's frustrating. So positive AB or positive 1AB take away 3BA. Remember, we want to keep it alphabetical, so let's just, for our answer, rearrange it to AB. So if this is 1AB, take away 3BA or 3AB, what's 1 take away 3? If you answered with -2, you are correct. And then again, we don't touch the pronumerals and its powers. We just change the numbers when we're adding and subtracting algebraic terms. And that is our final answer. So even though they've got AB in the terms, this one is an A squared. That is A to the power of 1. So they are not like terms. You cannot simplify this any further. Okay, that will be your final answer when you're simplifying. Let's take a look at the questions that we're going to have a go at. We're still on exercise 2B, remember. So jump to the textbook PDF or your textbook hard copy and scroll to page 89. On page 89, you should have done questions 1 to 5 in Friday's lesson with multiplying and dividing. Can you please have a go at 7, 8, and 9? Just do every second question. If you have any questions, like always, post it in the comment section down below. And I think that's it. Thanks for your participation, everyone.